Hey guys, Jesse Helmedallo with TREBEL Wellness Solutions. Now we're going to work on today the hanging straight leg raise. Andrew, if you want to go ahead and hop up on the bar, nice and active, his shoulder blades are back and down, nice good hollow body position, his heels are together, his toes are together. He's going to hang, and with the hanging straight leg raise, this is a hanging hip and trunk flexion with a straight leg. So he's going to bring his heels up above his hips, beautiful, come back down, go and do a couple more. It's a pretty challenging movement, not only on strength, but his mobility. Really difficult movement to do. He's doing the strict version. If for some reason we start getting to a little bit of swing, a little bit of kip, that's fine. What we really want is to qualify that he's prepared on the ground, and then making sure that we don't start swinging too much too soon. So let's go ahead and demo this one more time. It's really important that Andrew's shoulder blades are back and down. So he's nice and active. Go ahead and press up a little bit. Yeah, there you go, beautiful. And let's see 3 of these guys. So he's really working on this active compression at the hip, this hip and trunk flexion with a straight leg. Good stuff.